Okay, so it's all but looking like the clock has finally run out on TikTok. Like tick, 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 tock, be gone. If you are big onto TikTok and you're thinking, what do I do now? Well, in this video, I want to share 5 reasons you really ought to be on YouTube right now. First is a massive audience. Did you realize that YouTube has 1 billion active users every day? Now, you might be saying, Kevin, because by the way, if we haven't met, my name is Kevin Colby. That's a lot of users. Why in the world get on a platform that's got that many people? How am I going to break out? That's the thing. With that many people coming to the platform, it gives you more opportunities to reach people with your message, whatever it is. Maybe you're a solo content creator like me. Maybe you're a business owner. I'm actually kind of a business owner too. Maybe you're a nonprofit. It doesn't matter. With that many people coming, there's a massive audience you can get in front of. YouTube is an established platform. I don't remember exactly when they started. I do remember the first video was like my day at the zoo or something like that. I don't know if you've ever seen it. You ought to search it. It's really cool, but that started YouTube. And over time, it changed. But because it's been around a while, you could say it's like a well-oiled machine because they've learned a lot and they've adapted a lot. And being owned by Google doesn't help because you got an infusion of cash. So because of that, they've got the experience to know what doesn't work and work. Now, look, I'm not going to lie. They've made some missteps, in my opinion, along the way. But when you think about it, when you look at how big they are and how long they've been around, that's just a great reason to put your resources into YouTube. Now, think about the variety of content on there, which basically it comes down to 2 things that work on YouTube. It's education and entertainment. Now, if you can blend the two, anyway, then you can really hit a home run with your content. And by the way, I'm not trying to pretend like it's just easy to grow on YouTube, but I don't think it's as hard sometimes as we people that have been on it a while have made it. But when you think about the content variety, you can do produced videos like this, and then the produced videos can be shorter, not like shorts, but that's another type of content, but they can be shorter, they can be long. You know, long form is not, sorry about that. You know, long form is not dead, actually getting more and more popular because of video podcast, live streaming. It's just there's so many types of different ways you can create content to reach a potential of audience. And by the way, if you haven't really gotten serious about YouTube and you don't know which way to go, try them all and find out which one you like. Let's talk about making money. YouTube is by far the most creator-centric platform, especially when it comes to making money and opportunities. I mean, like you can do shopping, you can be part of the YouTube partner program at a certain point, and then when they put ads on your channel, then you get a cut of that. You can do affiliate marketing. I have links in my description to things. I'm shooting this on my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I'll put a link to that down in the description if you want to check it out. You can do sponsorships, you can do brand deals, you can even create products off platform. Like I created a site called the Video Resource Hub. There's a link to that down in the description. And I did that to help creators like you and me find resources and tools to create content. That's something I've created off platform, but I link to it from there. You can sell merch. There's so many. Oh, and then there's super thanks and super chat and all these other things that I sometimes even forget about. So there's no platform like YouTube that gives us the opportunity to make money. And let's talk about building community. I mean, YouTube is a big community first platform, meaning they really want you to get connected. Look, I'm going to be honest. I have connected with people around the world because of my YouTube channel that I would have never, ever been connected with. In fact, I'm in a private Discord group with a bunch of other YouTube creators, and some of them have huge channels. And you know what? It doesn't matter because we help each other out. We talk about things we struggle with. We talk about ways we're making money. We put our thumbnails up there and say, what do you think? And it's all about helping each other. I would have never been able to learn from these amazing guys had it not been for YouTube. And you can build a community huge, you can build a small community, but there's a way to connect with people around the World Wide Web that you won't get on any other platform like YouTube. So maybe you've got a YouTube channel, but you only have it so you can comment because you're afraid to start. Well, let me tell you, the best time to start on YouTube was yesterday. The second best time to start is today. And if you don't know what your first video should be, make that your first video. But look, if you need help with YouTube, there's some videos on the screen. Check out those because I've put those together with some tips and tutorials just to help you do more with YouTube. Remember, keep creating because the world needs you. See you next time.